Welcome back to the lecture series of Python programming. In this video, you are going to learn about how to make a first program in Python. What are the major segments of program in Python? So usually we are using in every textbook, if you observe your first program with a common string called hello world. Okay, these are basically a string, So it is a traditional way to introduce a new Python programming. You can see the line. You can go to any type of interpreter. So here I'm using like a Jupyter notebook. So everywhere you can see like a hash. After hash, whatever you are typing the line, that is not a part of the program. So it is known as commenting. So comments start with the hash symbol and it is ignored by the Python. It is just for understanding the user purpose. Just for the user has to understand about the program. So that is the significance of hash. Usually we are using one command called print. If you want to, like, it's a function. If you want to display a string, you can use like a print hello world. In between, you are supposed to use like a single quote or double quote, then you will be getting the output. Fine. So moving on to the discussion. So we need to understand what are the major segments of the Python program. So here we are usually using the statement called comments. Here in Python programming, it is with the hash, one of the special characters, hash. Comments are not included in the program. Another one is called the function, printf function. Print function is used to display the output in Python. Here we are displaying a string called hello world. Okay, I think you got an idea about the basics of Python program. Also, we'll understand about like what are the major components. That means we have to dissect the various segment in Python programming. If you break the program into different segment, you can see like it includes, as you can observe, it includes comments. Okay, so use the character hash. So after whatever you're typing in the hash, after whatever you're typing, that is not included in the program. That is ignored by the Python. Okay. Then information about the code. The importance of hash is only for commenting. That is only for the information. Later, you can see different type of functions, scanf, then exit, then input. There are different functions available. Printf function is used for display the output of any particular string or whatever it may be in the Python. You take one or more arguments. Okay, you are using the parenthesis. Parenthesis means like this. Okay, inside you will be putting like a single quote or double quote. Then argument is closed by the parenthesis. That's also true. Then another one is called string. Hello world is actually a string. Okay, string are like a text data. Okay, it can be represented by single quote or double quote in the parenthesis. So in case the string, you can see like in case the string contain like any type of character that will be displayed at the output. Okay, I'll be showing you how to let us see the first program in Python. Already we have discussed so many topics, but this is actually the content which is available in the syllabus. You should know what is the major content in the Python program. Now I have opened the Jupyter notebook. So let me type the first program. Yes. So my first program. So here also you can put the hash. Okay. That means after the hash, whatever you are typing, that is not included in the program. This is only for the user information. Fine. Here, only the seventh line. We can see the seventh line. That is only will be operating. Seventh line. This is only will be operating. Let's see how it is going to operate. Now I am going to run the program. Yes, I got the output as hello world. It's a string. Okay. So here we are using print function. So this is the way how to do the programming in Python. So I hope you understood the basics of Python programming, how to do the first program in Python. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the coming session, I'm going to deal with the various type of operators. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy learning.